I keep hearing about threading and multiprocessing in Python, but they sound almost the same to me.
They're related, but the core difference is how they use CPU and memory.
Okay, start simple. What is threading in Python?
Threading means running multiple threads within the same process, sharing the same memory space.
So all threads live inside one Python process?
Exactly, and that shared memory makes communication between threads fast and easy.
Then why doesn't everyone just use threading all the time?
Because of the Global Interpreter Lock, or GIL.
Right, I've heard of that. But what does it actually do?
The GIL allows only one thread to execute Python bytecode at a time.
So even if I have 4 CPU cores, threads won't use them fully?
Correct for CPU-bound tasks. Only one core is effectively used.
But threading is still useful sometimes, right?
Very useful for I/O-bound tasks like network calls, file reads, or waiting on APIs.
Because while one thread waits, another can run?
Exactly. The GIL is released during many I/O operations.
Got it. Now how is multiprocessing different?
Multiprocessing uses multiple processes instead of threads.
Separate processes, meaning separate memory too?
Yes, each process has its own Python interpreter and its own GIL.
So multiprocessing can actually use multiple CPU cores?
That's the big advantage, especially for CPU-heavy work.
Sounds better. Why not always use multiprocessing then?
It comes with higher overhead.
Overhead in what sense?
Creating processes is slower, and memory usage is higher.
And processes don't share memory easily, right?
Exactly, you need pipes, queues, or shared memory objects.
Which makes communication more complex than with threads.
Yes, and data often has to be serialized between processes.
So threading is lighter but limited by the GIL.
And multiprocessing is heavier, but bypasses the GIL.
Can you give a practical example?
Sure, downloading many web pages at once is great for threading.
Because it's mostly waiting on the network.
Right. But image processing or numerical simulations favor multiprocessing.
Because those are CPU bound and need real parallelism.
Exactly.
How do the APIs compare in Python?
They're intentionally similar. Threading.thread versus multiprocessing.process.
That makes switching approaches easier.
Yes, though the design considerations change a lot.
What about debugging? Any difference there?
Multiprocessing can be harder to debug due to multiple processes.
And race conditions are more common with threads?
Yes, because shared memory means shared state.
So you need locks and careful synchronization.
Exactly. While processes avoid that by default,
But then you pay the cost in communication complexity.
it's always a trade-off.
Is there a simple rule of thumb?
Use threading for I/O-bound tasks, multiprocessing for CPU-bound tasks.
That's a clean way to remember it.
And always measure performance, because real workloads vary.
Makes sense. Python gives both tools, but choosing wisely matters.
Absolutely, the right choice can mean the difference between slow and scalable.